Alright, this video is for anybody with a Commander. This is a 2012, but I'm sure it's for other models, 11s, 13s, 14s, and up. That's changing the rear diff. If you're like me, you don't want to do all the extra work of pulling the shocks and lower control arms and all that to get the axles out, to get the rear diff out. Well, I got some news for you. You just remove that top brace right there. 2 bolts on that side, 2 bolts on this side. Well, you got to remove the bed. Take the bed off the back. Remove those 4 bolts, pull that brace out, remove the 2 bolts on the bottom of the diff, get it loose, get the drive shaft loose, slide the diff back, pull the drive shaft out. Once you get the drive shaft out, I started on the passenger side. Just, I was able to take my hands. You might have to get you a big pair of channel locks or something. Pop that axle. You can pop it out. It's going to come out. Once you pop it out, same on this side. Start to pick up on the diff, and you'll be able to slide the diff out of the axle on this side. You'll be able to take the diff out, and you can put the diff right back in the same way. You do not have to pull the lower control arms, pull the axles out to get the diff in. To me, it was a lot easier to pull the bed and to do that, to get the new diff in, instead of pulling all the shocks and lower control arms and all that. So, peace.